Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Terry in Ohio on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Terry, we got this ready to go for you, bud. Completely loaded out. Here are the bright white LEDs. We get your amp on-off switch right there on the back. Clarifier's unlocked. ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade to the amp section. 30 amp upgraded power supply. Electrolytic caps upgrades, voltage regulator upgrades, and of course our tune and alignment. Let's get right to it here. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. We got you at 5 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amplifier. You get full adjustability. 50 all the way up on this one. I'm going to show you average power swing. Right about 90 bird average, thanks to the 2030 plus upgrade and a little bit stouter power supply. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Just likes a couple ticks being 200 watts. Roll the RF power all the way down for a 5 watt slug, 5 watt dead key. Hello, hello, hello. What is that, about 198.999. Going over here to sideband. 250 watt slug. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. So it's talking about 185 watts. All right, Terry, it's ready to go, man. This thing's fully loaded out. Can't get much better than this. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump up.